everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to change your bags on your Henry or Hetty vacuum cleaners. This applies for all Henry and Hetty models. So, there will be a video of this coming up soon. So, first, undo the clips on either side of the machine. They're a little stick. And then lift your motor unit off. This is what the top looks like. Make sure to remove the Tri-Tex filter. And also make sure the cleaner is unplugged. So then, this is what you're going to be seeing. You want to take out the bag, pull it off of the collar, like this. Now, do make sure you are using genuine Henry HEPA flow bags. With this, do not use them. These are the best filtration and will make your cleaner last longer. So then just push that over your bag, and then you can set that off to one side, dispose of it. And then you can get your brand new bag, and then press it, here's this, and then press down on here. You don't have to do it like that, it's just the way I'm doing it, so you can see it. It should look like this. Then put in the Tri-Tex filter. It may not fit all the way because of the tube that leads into the bag. It may not fit all the way. But insert the Tri-Tex filter. Now if it's bulging a little like this, this is fine. Just make sure you place the motor unit on, that'll make everything fall into place. Make sure Henry's name is facing the front. And make sure the clips are undone. Oop, there we go. And that is your Henry vacuum bag change. I hope you found this video helpful. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.